Judge Giles, that was a nice tribute to Clef.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, everybody's doing good. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, everybody got to hold on for a little bit. I don't have a clerk yet. As soon as I get a clerk, we'll get started.
All right.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. I got caught downstairs on the first floor.
I can make a bar.
Good, how are you?
All right. You all right coming in here?
Oh, it was horrible. It was horrible. So this is not a good discovery order?
I don't know. The prosecutor didn't sign off on it. I'm not signing it.
Okay.
I'll motion. Get the prosecutor signed. They just send the stuff and quickly sign it.
Okay. Yeah, they just sent it to me, like, have the judge sign it. Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
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 All right, we can start checking in if you're ready.
Good morning. This is James Anderson standing in for Carolyn Marsh on a Billy Underwood.
Billy
PCC.
Underwood?
Billy Underwood is here.
You need a jacket? Yeah, thank you. Okay, I'll look here, I'll check. Oh, that's the PCC. Okay.
James, Mr. Anderson.
Just can I go into a breakout room with Mr. Underwood?
Mr. Underwood, Mr. Anderson.
Stop talking. Where's Mr. Underwood?
Yes, I'm Mr. Underwood.
Phone says Isaiah Humphrey.
Yes,
Yeah.
no, it's under Tanya Heron.
Oh, there he is. There he is with the glasses. Yeah, it looks like you got a light fixture in the back of him.
Yeah,
Under Tanya Heron. You need to rename yourself, Mr. Underwood.
okay. I was trying to figure out how to do that.
Hold on, Ms. Anderson, that's your client, right?
Yes, I'm standing in for Ms. Marsh.
All right.
Let me get you as soon as I'm finished. Okay.
Down. Oh. Okay, who's,
This is Gabi. I'm retaining in on Giovanni Allen, which is up for PCC this morning. I'm not sure who was appointed.
Abby, it was me. It's Joan Morgan. Do you have paper discovery?
I don't. I have nothing. I just
I'll
got
email
retained
it to
yesterday.
you.
Thank you.
Okay.
okay, Gabby, you have, co-counsel on that case.
Okay. I don't know who that is either, but
It's, Andrea Fanning is co-counsel.
Dion, good morning, Madam Clerk. Dion Webster Cox, and I am retaining in on Daquan Peoples.
That's,
How
Danny
you doing? This is Antoine. I would just give you a call, let you know I made it.
co-counsel been retained out.
Okay. Are you wanting to join in?
Can I have the key number?
Okay.
Put your systems on mute if you're not in the hearing.
Ms. Webster Cox, can I have
Yes.
your,
Absolutely. 70422.
did you file an appearance?
I did electronically on Saturday.
Okay, I need an appearance. I don't have one.
I'll file one too tomorrow or later today.
Okay, who else is checking in?
Brian Gagnick is checking in on Jeremiah Turner and Damani Carter. Damani Carter's present. He's going to waive his exam.
Jeremiah Turner. Who's waiting?
Damani Carter.
All right. Who's next? Checking in.
Well, good
Is
morning.
there any other attorney that needs to check in?
Yes, Kitty. Good morning. Good morning, Judge Giles. It's Bill Winters here.
Good morning.
Good morning. I have Tyrone Parker for PCC.
Okay, I got you, Mr. Winters.
Thanks, Kitty.
Any other attorney need to check in?
Hey, Mr. Pope.
No.
You up there?
Mr. Pope, who are you on?
You know, I wanted to just make sure I got the case number. I want to do a waiver. I have a preliminary exam for one of my clients that's scheduled for April 12th. And he informed me he wants to do a waiver. So I would like to come in. He has another case already at circuit. So I'd like to come in as soon as possible. He is incarcerated, so we need to be able to get him over here.
Okay, the exam is scheduled for April 12th,
Yes, ma'am.
and you don't have the case number?
I don't. That's what I was looking for. That's why I didn't say anything, but I haven't been able to find it. His name is David Reese.
You said David Reese?
Yes.
Good morning.
Hold on, please.
Kitty, I believe I found it.
I found it too.
Okay.
200-609-85. Okay, I'll pull the file. What date are you trying to come in?
You tell me I can come in tomorrow, as soon as tomorrow, or I can come in on Friday.
Okay, whatever date is good for you and your client, just you both log on and I'll pull
No,
the file.
jail, so we gotta-
Oh, I need a couple days for jail because he's in jail. I'm sorry.
All right, can we do Friday?
Yes, Friday is good.
All right, thank you so much.
All
Judge, you and
right,
your
thank
staff
you.
have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
All right,
All right,
so much.
Governor Basso. Hello.
Hey, good morning.
All right.
Hello.
So I think I pulled Mr. Tuttle.
Washington,
Basso.
and Ms. Richard.
Okay, I don't know. Mr. Washington, who you on?
I'm on Monique Carson. It was scheduled for a preliminary examination today, a live exam. She had been in jail, but she bonded out. So I guess I need another date.
You need another date?
For a live exam.
Trying to get her on.
Okay, she was on. Let me call her and make sure she's on.
Okay. Who
Okay.
else?
Richards.
Oh, Miss Richards, who are you on?
I have Jaleel Carruthers. It was also scheduled for a live exam today at 10:45.
Okay, what are you doing, Miss Richards?
Well, I'd be asking for another live exam date. My client is not on yet. I'm trying to reach him. I talked to him over the weekend, though.
And who else? Is Mr. Becker on?
Mr. Becker.
Sorry for interrupting. This is James Anderson again. Apparently, Mr. Underwood never made it to the breakout room. He's under Tanya Heron.
I put them in the breakout room. Hold on.
He never went.
Can't make them go. I'll try to.
Good morning.
We do it.
So they know who you are, and are you dressed nice?
Yeah, they're already there.
Something like that at a time.
Mr. Underwood,
Yes.
you're gonna see an invitation to a breakout room. When you see it, accept it, okay?
Say that again?
You're gonna see an invitation to go to a breakout room. When you see it, accept it.
Okay.
You're gonna reassign it.
Breakout room. Accepted.
All right.
Good morning. I'm here on two matters. I don't know if you guys are on the record right now.
Hello, Ms. Farwell.
So
Oh, Mr. Becker.
I'm here on a Brian Wilkins, and I'm also here on a situation that I just found out yesterday was done last week. And my client needs to be arraigned.
He needs to be arraigned. He ain't gonna do it here. He gotta turn himself in.
Ronna, on January 26th, I was appointed spot appointment. When we were on the Zoom, it was clear that it was February 16th for the case. And yesterday when I was, my client called me to find out exactly what time it was today. And I saw I did a name search through my emails and saw an email from the prosecutor that was telling me it was on the 9th of February. It was an earlier email, but I didn't see it at the time. And there was no way I could have done it because I had a physical exam. So I would only do one physical exam each day because, you know, if it's in the.
Ms. Marvel, I have no idea what you're talking about. I have to have a file. I have to be able to see what I'm looking at.
Okay, so the case name is Damon Steele.
Do you have a case number?
Yes, let me look at my phone. Sorry. So your case number is 18059-294.
Damon Stills and warrant status. We capious him on February 9th.
Yeah, capious on February 9th.
Yes, I saw that yesterday after I looked. I went online to look to see what was going on. And after I saw the prosecutor's email, because February 9th was not the date we got when I was appointed on the Zoom. It was not.
Is he online? Is he on Zoom?
He is.
All right, we'll put you in order. We'll call the case.
Any other attorney need to check in?
Yes, Attorney Frank Becker. I'm checking in on Antoine Williams.
Yes, Miss Kitty, Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson on Michael Ingram. He has an in-person exam.
How about the attorney, Leandre Graves Daniels?
Yes, I'm here.
Put your systems on mute if you're not in the hearing.
Okay, I got you. Any other attorney need to check in? No? Okay. Ready to call. Prosecutor, who's my prosecutor?
Franklin.
Franklin?
Morning, Miss Kitty. It's APA Franklin.
Good morning, Miss Franklin.
Morning.
Good morning. This is Lori Morales Smith. I am the prosecutor on Ampolfo. That would be Basil Johnson's client.
Basil Johnson. What is your P number?
P83353.
Okay, thank you. And is Mr. Anderson, oh, he's out.
I'm ready now. We're out.
Okay. Ready on Underwood, Billy Underwood, calling
Ready.
case number 2155514, the people of the state of Michigan versus Billy Underwood. Defendant is charged with count 1, third-degree arson, count 2, arson preparation to burn real property, habitual offender, fourth notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning. Shanetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people, P82102.
Good morning, James Anderson, P31302, on behalf of Carolyn Marsh, standing in for Carolyn Marsh with the agreement of Mr. Underwood. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Your Honor, we'd like to request a preliminary examination in this matter live. We have requested discovery, but Ms. Marsh does not have it yet.
All right, how many witnesses?
2.
Oh.
April 19th, 12:30.
April 19th, 12:30. Very good. Thank you.
Yeah.
My other case wasn't on the document.
I'll double check. It may have
Kitty,
Thank
I
you,
don't know
Honor.
if I ever officially checked in. I know just responded to something, but I don't know if I officially checked in. Am I officially checked in?
Yes, I checked you in, Mr. Tubbs.
Okay, I appreciate that. Thank you.
You're
You can
welcome.
sign off, Mr. Underwood.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Ready on Allen and Peoples?
Ready.
Calling case number 21-55495, the people of the state of Michigan versus Giovanni Allen. Defendant number 1 is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. The people of the state of Michigan versus Daquan Peoples. Defendant number 2 is charged with count 2, weapons carrying concealed. These matters are scheduled for probable cause conference.
Janata Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, may it please this honorable court, Dion Webster Cox appear on behalf of Mr. Peoples.
And good morning, Gabi Silver appearing on behalf of Giovanni Allen. I would ask to waive his presence this morning. He is on bond.
All right. Mr. Peoples on Zoom or right down bond?
He's on Zoom. State your name, Mr. Peoples.
Daquan Peoples.
So, Your Honor, this is the date and time set for my client's probable cause conference, and I've gone over his statutory right to a preliminary examination. And at this point, Your Honor, my client wants to waive his preliminary examination. Is that correct, Mr. Peoples?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Mr. Peoples, are you wearing a
Judge,
shirt with a collar?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Are you wearing a shirt with a collar or a t-shirt?
I'm wearing a t-shirt. Well, I'm wearing a work shirt.
Shirts in my courtroom, sir. You dress for my court. You can't dress, I dress you. I mean, that's it. You ain't county jail, and they put you in green.
I apologize. I was on my way to work.
I don't care where you are. You're in my courtroom right now.
I apologize.
You dress for court. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, do the people have any objection to the waiver?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Peoples, you understand that you have a statutory right to preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way, get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No, sir.
You do so freely and voluntarily after having an opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes, sir.
I gotta hear you.
Yes, sir.
All right, do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form?
No, sir.
Counsel, do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and
No, I
initialing
do.
off?
No, I do not.
Thank you. Court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam. That is bound over to Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be March 2nd at 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
As it relates to Mr. Allen, Judge, we would like our preliminary examination date. I have received paper discovery, but not the digital discovery. I actually didn't even request discovery yet. I just got retained, but I will do that. So we're asking for an exam date.
All right. How many witnesses?
One.
April 9th and 9/15.
That's fine, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you.
Madam Clerk, this is Earl Washington. My client is on Zoom whenever the court's ready to call the case.
Okay. What was your client name again, Mr. Washington?
Monique Carson.
Okay. And that was scheduled for what time? 2 o'clock?
I think so.
Okay. Ready on Carter, Damani Carter,
Ready.
calling case number 2155499, the people of the state of Michigan versus Damani Carter. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for probable cause.
Janata Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Brian Gagnick, Neighborhood Defender Services, Your Honor. Mr. Carter, introduce yourself, sir.
How you doing, Judge? My name is Damani Carter.
All right, can you move your camera back so I can see you? I can see the top of your head.
My apologies.
Thank you, sir. All right, counsel.
Your Honor, he understands the nature and purpose of a preliminary exam. Please accept his waiver.
People have any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Carter, you understand you have the statutory right to preliminary exam when the state must show by probable cause that a crime was committed? And
Yes,
probable
sir.
cause has something to do with committing it. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No, sir.
Do so freely and voluntarily after having an opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes, sir.
You have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No, sir.
Counsel, you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No, sir.
All right, court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam as bound over the Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be March 2nd at 9 o'clock.
All set. You're free to go, Damani.
All right, thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Ready on Turner,
Yes.
calling case number 2155512, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jeremiah Turner. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer fleeing, 3rd-degree vehicle code. Count 2, police officer fleeing, 3rd-degree vehicle code. Count 3, weapons carrying concealed. Count 4, count 5, weapons felony firearm. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Janata Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Brian Gagnick, Neighborhood Defender Services, Your Honor. May I waive my client's presence? He's on bond. I've been speaking with him this morning.
The court will waive his appearance for purposes of this hearing.
Yes, please. Your Honor, I'm in need of discovery in this matter. I'm not sure how the court is handling whether I adjourn the PCC or if I ask for an exam date.
I don't adjourn PCC, so set it for exam.
Thank you.
How many witnesses?
2.
April 22nd, 11 o'clock, well, make it 11:15.
April 22nd, 11:15.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ready on Bibbs, Torino Bibbs.
Yes, I'm here.
Calling case number 21-55497. The people of the state of Michigan versus Torino Bibbs. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Antonio D. Tuttles, on behalf of my client. That is Mr. Toriano Bibbs, who is not physically present. However, whose physical presence I do ask this court to waive. Mr. Bibbs is present via Zoom. Mr. Bibbs, can you raise your hand and state your name for the record?
Toriano Bibbs.
Thank you. What's your pleasure, counsel?
Oh, Your Honor, this is a PCC. We do not have discovery, but I know it's the court's policy not to adjourn the PCC, but set it for an in-person exam. I ask the court to set it for an in-person exam.
How many witnesses?
1.
April 14th at 9:15?
You said April 14th?
Yes, sir.
One second, Your Honor. Is that in person? Is that in person, Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay. April 14th. Yes. At what time?
9:15?
Yes.
All right, Ron, continue.
And okay, Ms. Franklin, I'll be in touch with you regarding my regarding discovery, because I do not have discovery.
Okay, I'll send you discovery counsel.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ready
All right.
on Parker?
Yes, we're ready.
Calling case number 21-55573. The people of the state of Michigan versus Tyrone Parker. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. Count 2, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Count 3, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Morning, Your Honor. William Winters, P35975 on behalf of Mr. Parker. If he's not present in the Zoom room, Your Honor, I respectfully ask that his presence be waived for purpose of today's hearing.
All right, waive his appearance for the purpose of today's hearing. Send this matter for exam.
Yes, Your Honor.
How many witnesses?
1.
April 15th at 9:15?
That's perfect, Your Honor. Tax day.
Okay.
Counsel, do you have discovery?
I do not have all of it, Ms. Franklin, but I'm sure with you on the case, I will be receiving it shortly.
Okay, thanks. What discovery do you have?
I've got an order in for paper, but I suspect there's going to be video on this as well.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Thank you, Kitty. Everybody have a great day.
You too.
Have a good one.
Thank you,
Be
Mr.
safe.
Winters. Miss Mead, where is your client?
Good morning. I saw there's Isaiah Humphrey.
Yes, I'm here.
All right.
Calling case number 2059845, the people of the state of Michigan versus Isaiah Humphrey. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Shanetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jennifer Mead, P57106, on behalf of Isaiah Humphrey, who's appearing by Zoom.
So Humphrey, state your name, please.
Isaiah Humphrey.
Thank you, sir. All right, Ms. Mead, what are we doing?
Good morning. This matter was scheduled for an in-person preliminary exam this morning. And from the court's website, it's my understanding that all in-person hearings were canceled due to the weather.
Oh.
And so
Did you see that?
we're asking for a new in-person hearing date.
All right. April 16th, 9:15.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Ready on Katrina and Pufo?
Ready.
Calling case number 2155372, the people of the state of Michigan versus Katrina and Pufo. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, taser, possession, or sale of. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Shanetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Lori?
Yes, I'm sorry, Lori Morales Smith. I'm actually confused, Vassal, but the charges she read is not the case that I am on.
Okay. May it please the Honorable Court, Vassal Johnson, P72130, on behalf of Ms. Ampofo. She's present here by Zoom. Lori, you're on Thursday's case.
Yes, sorry. I just saw her name in the docket. My apologies, Your Honor. I am out of here. Sorry to disturb your day.
All right, thank you.
Judge, today's date time set for PCC. She's present here on Zoom as well. And we're requesting an exam date. And I'm requesting discovery.
Ms. Ampufu, state your name for the record, please.
Katrina
Ampofo.
Thank you. All right. How many witnesses?
1.
April 19th, 9:15.
April 19th, 9:15?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, mine's continued.
Thank you. And Miss Franklin, you can tender discovery to me, please?
Yes, counsel.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
Oh, no, I had that prosecutor, Lori. Ready on Williams?
Yes, ready.
Calling case number 2155380, the people of the state of Michigan versus Antoine Williams. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carried concealed. This matter is scheduled for probable cause conference.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Frank G. Becker appearing on behalf of Antoine Williams, who is also present via Zoom.
Williams, state your name for the record, please.
Antoine Williams.
Thank you, sir. Great counsel, what's your pleasure?
Your Honor, this is set for probable cause conference based on previous cases. I understand the court will adjourn those cases to an in-live preliminary examination, which we will request. We have not received any discovery as of this time. I did substitute for court-appointed counsel, so I'm not sure if he had received it. He has not contacted me, although I contacted him. Your Honor, so I would like a date somewhere in the area that you have been setting the dates in April.
All right, April 20th at 9:15.
Sounds good, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Your Honor, if I may,
Yes,
counsel,
ma'am.
did I hear you say that, so it's on the docket, this matter's on the docket for an exam, not a PCC, and I see that discovery was tendered. Are you new on this case?
Yes, I entered my appearance. An attorney, Issa Fawaz was the attorney on the case. I contacted him and gave him a copy of my appearance. But I have not received anything. Could
And
you,
this is the matter,
go on.
this is the matter from Mac Williams, correct?
No, it's
No,
Antoine
This
Williams.
is Antoine Williams.
Ah.
Yeah, set BCC.
Yeah, that's what the docket shows. It was set for P.
Yes, I have the wrong
Okay.
Williams.
Okay. This is the good Williams.
All right, I'll get you discovery, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, counsel.
All right,
Thank you, Your
thank
Honor.
Ready, I'm Brian Wilkins.
Yes, ready?
Calling case number 2155382, the people of the state of Michigan versus Brian Wilkins. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Count 2, escape lawful custody. Count 3, weapons, body armor, possession, used by violent felon, habitual offender, for notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good
Senator
morning,
Franklin
Your Honor.
appearing on behalf of the people.
I apologize. Good morning, Your Honor. Wendy Burnwell on behalf of Mr. Wilkins. I think he's on the Zoom, but I don't know, Judge.
Yes,
He's
ma'am.
not on- Okay, great. You didn't name it.
I'm sorry,
Name
ma'am.
your- All right.
State your name, sir.
Brian Wilkins, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, we are requesting an exam.
All right, how many witnesses?
One moment, Your Honor. Two.
April 23rd, 11:45.
That's good, Judge. Madam Prosecutor, hopefully I can get the discovery. I'm registered with evidence.com.
Okay, I'll send you discovery, counsel.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, she's got the one. Yeah, she got the one. Okay.
So we're done, Mr. Wilkins.
Thank you. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes,
Talk
ma'am.
to
You have
you
a nice
later.
day.
I'm still in court on Zoom, so I can't talk right now.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Ready
Have a
on,
nice day.
ready on Steele, Damon Steele.
Yes, you're on. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Calling case number 1859294, the people of the state of Michigan versus Damon Steele. Defendant is charged with insurance certificate, possession, sale, stolen counterfeit. This matter is here on a warrant hearing.
Wendy Burnwell, on behalf of Mr. Steele, my P number is 42505. I've moved to set aside the warrant.
Case is set aside. Why wasn't he here?
Your Honor, I was appointed on this case by spot appointment when my client was physically in the courtroom. I was on Zoom on January 26th, and we got the date of February 16th at 9:45 for a physical exam. I did not realize that a prosecutor had sent me an email earlier on telling me that was on the night until yesterday when my client sent me when my client was trying to ask, hey, what's the exact time? And so I did a name search, and in the name search on the emails, I saw an email from a prosecutor telling me that we had court, or that the docket entries said that we did have court, but I did not see that until yesterday. I had a scheduled exam and as well as multiple Zooms on February 9th, and there's no way I would schedule 2 exams, physical exams, in the pandemic era at the same time. I did not. My client and I had the exact same time. I texted him afterwards. We communicated afterwards, and he was calling me yesterday, and that's when I discovered it. So I would respectfully request that that his absence be excused because it's justifiable. We did not know.
People want to add anything?
439, Judge.
Your Honor, Reginald Andrea for the people, 80354. I tend to have to agree with Ms. Barnwell. My files, everything said 216. I was under the impression it was 216 as well. But when I saw it listed on the docket for 29, I showed up just in case. I did tell Kitty, I know we had a discussion about whether or not it was really the 16th, because there were about 3 different dates that were given, and Ms. Barnwell had some conflicts, and I believe we settled on the 16th. But we held on the 9th.
All right. So we need to set another preliminary exam.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Judge.
How many witnesses was it?
It was 1 witness, Your Honor.
No.
And also for the record, there is an offer on this file, and this was actually provided to the original attorney of record. It's the 1-year misdemeanor of producing false insurance, PAC code 257328.
Is that an MCL number?
What?
All right.
I couldn't hear you, Mr. Barnwell.
Sorry, Judge. I was were you talking to me?
Yes, I couldn't hear what you just said.
Oh, sorry. I was asking if that was an MCL, a Michigan compiled law number, so I could look it up myself.
They're very similar, so you might be able to look it up by 257328, or if you just type in the search engine, Michigan misdemeanor producing false insurance, it'll come up as well.
Okay. Okay.
All right, April 21st at 9:15.
You said the 23rd or the 21st?
21st.
Okay, that works for the people.
1 second, Your Honor. I've just got to be sure because I thought you had said the 23rd, and now my my stuff isn't reacting to it. All right, I'm gonna try and tap on my calendar on my phone because the laptop is not reacting. Oh my God. That's a good day. Now, what time?
9:15.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And this bond is going to reinstate the original bond.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Mr. Prosecutor.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Everybody have a good day.
All right, you too now.
Ready on Ingram?
Yes, Miss Kitty.
Calling case number 2059853, the people of the state of Michigan versus Mikhail Ingram. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Nada Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P71733, on behalf of Mr. Ingram, who is not present on the Zoom. Your Honor, Mr. Ingram indicated to me that he has retained counsel on this matter. Has the court received an appearance?
Nope. So we're still on it. Where's Mr. Ingram?
He hasn't communicated with me since he told me he was getting another attorney, Your Honor.
When was that?
On the 8th.
On the 8th of February?
Of this month, yes. We just talked last week. Monday of last week. He told me he had another attorney. I have the text message. He sent it to me in text message. I have another attorney. I don't need your help.
So he needs to get online. I'm just gonna cake you some.
Okay, I'll try to send him a message.
Yeah, or at least communicate with them sometime, some kind of way. All right, we'll recall it.
Okay, thank you.
You can find them. Thank you.
Ready on Monique Carson?
Yes, here.
Calling case number 2155333, the people of the state of Michigan versus Monique Carson. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with intent to murder. Count 2, assault with intent to do grave bodily harm, domestic murder, or by strangulation. Count 3, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault, habitual offender, third notice. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Shanetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Earl Washington, Neighborhood Defender Services of Detroit, 31383, representing Miss Monique Carson.
Ms. Carson, you got video?
Yes.
Turn it on, please.
Hello?
Yes, turn on your video, please.
Okay, it's up. This connection is back and forth. So it's like I'm here, it's here, but it's back and forth on the connection on the phone.
Okay.
I can hear you right now. I can hear you.
All right.
Yes, today is the date set for a preliminary examination, and I understand that they're adjourning the live or in-person exam, so we just need another date.
April 27th, 11:15.
That date is fine, Your Honor. Thank you.
Was that April 27th?
Yes,
April-
ma'am.
April 27th.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Everyone have a good day.
All right, you too.
You too. Any other attorney need to check in?
Hi, Kitty.
Oh,
It's
okay.
Stephanie Farkas.
I got Nancy next.
I'm checking in on Shantez Gibson, which was an exam scheduled at 11, and then Monifa Rogers, which was an exam scheduled at noon.
Gibson, and what was the other one?
Rogers.
All right, Ms. Carson, you can sign off also.
I don't have a Rogers.
I'm sorry. I'm looking at the wrong case for the wrong judge. It's Mariah Jenkins.
Huh?
And Ms. Mitchell and Mr. Frost.
Your Honor, Mr. Ingram just signed in.
All right.
Mr. Carruthers also just signed in.
Okay, Carruthers, that's the one I'm getting ready to call. Well, let me call, did Phyllis say her client was on, Ingram?
Yeah.
Recalling case number 2059853, the people of the state of Michigan versus Mikhail Ingram. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Renata Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P71733 on behalf of Mr. Ingram. Mr. Ingram is present in the Zoom. Mr. Ingram, can you state your name for the record?
Michael Ingram.
Your Honor, Mr. Ingram has indicated to me that.
One second. Mr. Ingram, I don't do t-shirts in my courtroom, sir.
Sir,
Nothing. I don't do t-shirts in my courtroom. I don't do sweats. You dress for my court or I dress you. I got one way to do that. I just send you to Wayne County Jail. They put you in greens. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, because we don't have a conversation twice.
Okay, I'm putting the shirt on now. I have the shirt right here.
Your Honor, Mr. Ingram did believe that his court date was physically at the court at 11 a.m. He appears to have not been aware that the court was closed today. Mr. Ingram indicated to me on the 8th that he had retained other counsel and that he did not need my services. So I'm not sure why that attorney didn't communicate that with him, nor am I aware of why his attorney has not filed an appearance.
Well, right now, you're the attorney on it. So you want me to give you another exam date?
Mr. Ingram, have you retained other counsel?
Yes, but I don't know what's going on. You told me 4 days ago.
Okay,
that
all right. That means no. That means no, he hasn't.
No.
They haven't filed an appearance. So, Ms. Robinson, you're on the case.
Okay, Your Honor. Well, we need another exam date.
Okay. April 23rd at 9:15.
I'm not available on April 23rd, Your Honor.
April 26th at 9:15.
Okay, Your Honor.
right, files continued. Thank you.
Have a great one.
Thank you too.
Ready on Carruthers?
Ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Calling case number 2062622, the people of the state of Michigan versus Giles Carruthers. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle. Count 2, motor vehicle, unlawful driving away, habitual offender, forced notice. This matter is scheduled for examination.
And good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your wonderful staff. May it please this most honorable court, Reginald Andrew, P number 80354, appear on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit by Nancy Richards, P68850, appearing on behalf of Mr. Carruthers, who is present via Zoom.
Carruthers, state your name for the record, please. Mr. Carruthers, state your name for the record, please.
Jaleel Carruthers.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, today was set for a live exam. We're asking for another exam date.
April 23rd at 9:15.
That's a good date. Thank you.
April 23, 9:15.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, files continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is Ms. Mitchell still on?
Mr. Mitchell?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
still here.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Calling case number 2057657. The people of the state of Michigan versus Ahmed Asarji. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing $20,000 or more. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Your Honor, that's Pat 2.
There's a co-defendant exam date for May 6th.
Reginald? All right, Mr. He must be,
Okay, we can give him a few minutes.
Okay, we'll recall in a minute. Thank you. I just saw Mr. Jefferson. I just saw Mr. Jefferson.
Mr. Frost, who are you on?
I was supposed to walk someone in, but I don't see him. He called me last week saying he talked to the judge. Lawrence Clark, he capious on the 1st. And he called me last week, all upset at me, said he wanted a new attorney, but I told him walk him in. We would request to withdraw the capious, and he didn't show up today either. So I got another one to go to. Thank you.
All right.
Is Sarah on?
Sarah?
Is her name Sarah? Or Stephanie, not Sarah, Stephanie.
Yeah, Stephanie Parker?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's on. Ms.
Ready?
Clark, she's in the background.
Ready on Jenkins?
Yes.
Calling case number 2059872, the people of the state of Michigan versus Mariah Jenkins, defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service by Stephanie Farkas, P74227, appearing on behalf of Ms. Jenkins. Your Honor, I'm asking the court to waive Ms. Jenkins' appearance for purposes of rescheduling the exam today. I did have communication with her this morning.
All right, court waiver appearance for the purpose of this hearing. It's your pleasure.
Judge, we're just asking for a new exam date given the court closure.
April 27th at 9:15.
That works, Judge.
And you have Gibson, right?
Yes.
Calling case number 2059880, the people of the state of Michigan versus Shantez Gibson. Defendant number 1 is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Stephanie Farkas, P74227, appearing on behalf of Mr. Gibson. Your Honor, I'd ask the court to waive his presence for purposes of rescheduling his exam this morning. I did have communication with him this morning.
And court waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
And again, Judge, I'm just asking for a new date.
Yeah, Judge, the co-defendant's not up.
I believe the co-defendant was scheduled, oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I think he was scheduled later on this morning.
Oh, yeah, co-defendant's at 12 o'clock.
Oh, we're gonna do both of these at the same time.
Judge, I have just provided the prosecutor's office, Brian Surma, some additional information in terms of diversion. So I'm hoping this additional information that I provided would resolve the case with diversion approval.
All right, I need to get Ms. Jefferson on. She was on a few minutes ago. I'm gonna set these for the same time.
Okay, I can wait, Judge.
All right,
Thank you.
okay, thank you.
All right, that's all I have. Oh, Ms. Mitchell's back. All right, recalling case number 2057657, the people of the state of Michigan versus Ahmed Asarje. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing $20,000 or more. This matter is scheduled for probable cause conference.
And good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your wonderful staff. May it please this most honorable court, Reginald Andrew, P number 80354, appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, may it please this most honorable court. Rena Mitchell appearing on behalf of Mr. Ahmad Azari. Could you please start your camera and state your name for the record?
Yes, I'm Ahmed Al-Siraji. Just give me 1 second to turn my camera on.
Can you state your name for the record again?
Ahmed Al-Siraji.
Do you agree to have this hearing by Zoom as opposed to open court?
Yes, I agree.
Your Honor, I overheard that.
Are you driving?
I was, Your Honor. I just pulled over. I did try to come to the court, and I was trying to make it home in time to go put on a dress shirt.
So you're gonna come to the court without a dress shirt? Yeah.
I just got off work, Your Honor, and
I don't care what you got off of. Well, unless you want to be doing your work from the Wayne County Jail, I suggest you abide. You understand?
yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Mitchell.
Your Honor, I overheard that there is a co-defendant on this case, so you can schedule us for a preliminary exam on the same date. I believe Kitty said it was May 6th.
Yeah, May 6th at 10:30.
And if we decide to waive before then, Your Honor, I'll just
You can just come on Zoom.
okay. I put my number in the chat. Did you see it? I'm
on my phone. I don't really know how to open the chat.
Your Honor, is it okay if I give him my number over Zoom now, or
Sure.
Okay,
the number down?
Yeah, I'm ready when you're ready.
It's 313-574 6670.
313-574-6670.
Yes, and give me a call as soon as we get off Zoom.
No problem.
I'm done, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day, everyone.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bye.
All right, bye now.
Give me 1 second. Hi, good morning, Judge.
Good morning. How you doing, Mr. Klaus?
I have no complaints. How are you all?
Good. You're all right. We got a lot of complaints though.
I'm zooming in. I have an exam scheduled later today at 12:30, and I couldn't recall if it was an in-person exam or a Zoom exam. And I wanted to know if I could find out.
Okay. Who is that with?
I'm sorry. You said it one time for me. I'm sorry, Judge. I didn't hear you.
Who's the dependent?
That would be LaTanya Lee. That would help, wouldn't it?
Lee?
Yes.
We don't have a Lee on the docket.
Oh, okay. I will check to see when the exam is. I received something from the prosecution, a probable cause conference, the form stating that the exam was today, February 16th. I didn't have it on my calendar either, but let me just check and I'll get back with the court.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning. This is Attorney Jeff Perlman checking in for Mr. Williams.
Cornelius Williams,
Yes, ma'am.
you ready? Is Reggie still on?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have we heard from Bill?
Oh, yeah. Bill's attorney, which is Mr. Dupree, he came down here. He didn't know that cases were being rescheduled. So he was here and then, he said he was going back home to get on Zoom. Calling case number 21-55256, the people of the state of Michigan versus Cornelius Williams. Defendant is charged with count 1, false report of a felony. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Nada Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jeff Perlman, appearing on behalf of Mr. Williams.
Did you plan on? Oh, this is probable cause. All right. Is he on? Oh, he is on. Mr. Williams, state your name for the record.
Yes, well, Williams.
Cornelius, turn yourself off mute.
You're on mute now.
Unmute. We don't hear you. Unmute. There
Oh,
you
okay. Okay,
All
there
right.
we go. Okay,
right,
Cornelius Williams.
Thank you, sir.
Oh,
right.
actually, this is a Pat 2 case, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Have your parents ready, please?
May it please the court, Reginald Andrew, P number 80354, appearing on behalf of the people.
Thank you. Mr. Perlman, what's your pleasure?
Yes, Your Honor. We'd like to schedule we'd like to ask for an adjournment in order to obtain discovery.
I don't give adjournments. I'll set it for exam.
Okay, very well.
Get it. All right. How many witnesses?
Yeah, this is Cornelius Williams.
Yes.
One witness. Yes.
April 28th at 9:15.
April 28th at 9:15.
That should work, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Okay, that's it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
April 28th, 9:15. In person.
I can't get out of here. Okay.
Mr. Miller, can I help you with?
Sir, I was supposed to be. I tried to log in at 8:30. Y'all had clocked me in like around 9, probably 9:20. I was supposed to come to court today.
For what?
I really don't know. I was gave this date.
You're not on my docket today.
So I just woke up early. All right, y'all have a blessed day.
All right, you too.
All right.
Thank you.
How do I get out of this Zoom?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
How you doing today?
Doing good, thank you.
That's good.
How are
I'm
you?
here for Mr. Jose Cosme. It's supposed to be an in-person exam today.
Jose.
Yep, that's our 10 o'clock.
That's the 10 o'clock, yep. Where's your client?
Your Honor, I do not know. I have not heard from Mr. Cosme. The number that I had for him is not working. And my last communication was a letter to him advising of today's date. So I wasn't even able to give him a call and let him know that, as far as we know, there were no in-person hearings to go today. So I would respectfully request an adjournment. For all I know, he's downtown and is not able to give my office or myself a call. I am not in the office today due to the weather, so he may have called the office.
And you talked to him when?
It's been a while since I've spoken to him, Your Honor. All of my most recent communication has been by letters to him, but no response.
You call it. You call it.
Calling case number 1960011, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jose Cosme. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing $1,000 or more, but less than $20,000. Count 2, scrap metal, buying and selling stolen scrap metal, first offense. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Again, good morning, Your Honor, and to your wonderful staff. May it please this most honorable court, Reginald Andrew, P number 80354, appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor, Attorney Tiana Freelick, appearing on behalf of Mr. Jose Cosme, P number P73015, waiving my in-person appearance for this purpose.
All right. Defendant failed to appear, KPS shall enter. Any bond previously submitted shall be forfeited. The bond says $30,000. You can find them, bring them in on Zoom.
I couldn't hear you, Your Honor.
I said, if you can find them, bring them in.
I will. I'll send out
If
additional.
he's brought in, he stays in.
I know. I know. So I will send additional communication and hopefully I can do just that instead of him being picked up.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Everyone have a safe day.
You as well.
Thank you.
No, that's him.
Sir, what is your name?
My name, Romeo Frazier.
No, I'm talking to the other gentleman. Thank you, though, Mr. Frazier.
All right.
Okay, you have sound. What is your name, sir?
Jose Antonio Cosme.
I just KPS'd you.
I was standing
Hold
outside
on,
the courtroom.
Hold on. Let's see if I can get your attorney back on. You call him?
Yeah, I'm actually right outside the courthouse. They just told me I had to get on Zoom.
Who is she?
Who, his attorney?
Yeah.
Miss, who's the Quinter's on?
I got Gail Williams as the attorney.
Miss, you name?
Judge, I believe that was Ms. Fronulik.
Okay, thank you. Do you have a number?
I don't, Judge. She's not with NDS.
Oh, all right. Ms. Cosman, do you have Ms. Fronulik's number?
No, I don't.
What about you, Reginald? Do you?
I do not. Yeah, I don't have her email address. Actually, you know what? Give me a second. Let me check. Actually, her signature line might contain it.
Or her P number? Did she say her P number on the record?
Oh, I didn't catch that.
No.
It looks like I have her office number, but she just indicated she wasn't in the office. Let me try it anyways and see.
I have her office number. She ain't answering.
Oh, that's the number I have as well. She did indicate that she wasn't in the office today because of the weather, so I don't know if we'll be able to reach her.
Recalling case number 1960011, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jose Cosme. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing $1,000 or more, but less than $20,000. Count 2, scrap metal, buying and selling stolen scrap metal, first offense. This matter is here on a warrant.
May it please the court, Reginald Andre, P number 80354, appearing on behalf of the people.
Mr. Cosme, state your name, please.
Jose Cosme.
All right, I'm gonna set aside your case and reinstate your original bond. We're gonna reschedule this matter for May 5th at 12:30.
May 5th at 12:30.
Yes, sir. You're gonna need to call your attorney to make sure she has the date. You need to call her anyway. She says she sent you a letter, etc., but you haven't responded to her.
I just, man, tell you the truth, I've been working so much. I went to
Mr. Cosme, this is your case. This is your case. You could ignore it, you could do nothing, you could just let it happen. It's up to you. Or you could fight it. You want to fight it? I suggest you talk to your attorney.
Sure.
All right. Also, I do not do t-shirts or sweats in my courtroom, sir.
Dressed up, but I'm outside. Yeah, we're outside.
Okay. All right. That's fine. Thank you. I couldn't tell. All I can see is the. All right, but you need to call your attorney. All right.
Call her right now.
Yeah, so she'll be ready. Mr. Page, how you doing? How you doing, Mr. Dupree?
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Good. Mr. Page has. Who do you got, Mr. Page?
Ingram, he said he was just in front of you.
That's the one supposed to entertain. That's the one Phyllis had.
Oh, you gotta send us an appearance.
All right, Your Honor. I'm sorry about that.
What day do we set it for?
Ingram, right?
Yeah.
April 26th at 9:15.
I'll send that appearance in right now. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
What's your P number, Mr. Page?
41848.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
All right, take care, Ray. Mr. Dupree, you got Mr. Bell, right?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Is he on Zoom?
Judge, I have had no contact with him in the entirety of the run of this case.
Okay. We'll see if we can find him for you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Renard Bill Jr. Calling case number 2059735, the people of the state of Michigan versus Renard Bill. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substance, possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court. Matthew Dupree, P80132, attorney for Mr. Bell, who is not present on Zoom, and I was there just briefly ago in person. He was not there in person either. I have no explanation for his non-presence. I have had no contact with him.
All right, thank you. All right, KBS shall enter. Any bond previously submitted shall be forfeited. New bond set, 30,000 cash.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay.
Judge, I just got off the phone with Miss Jefferson. She indicated the King case was dismissed on January 25th.
Okay, oh, why we got it on the second? Oh, okay. Was your client Capias or something?
No, Judge, this was just the date that we had set.
No, this case hasn't been dismissed.
Yeah, it's not dismissed. It looked like.
It's on the docket for today at 12 o'clock.
All right, I'll call her back. Oh, there she is right now.
Right. Okay.
You can call the case.
That was Gibson and King. Calling case number 2059880. The people of the state of Michigan versus Shantez Gibson. Defendant number 1 is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. The people of the state of Michigan versus Ernest King. Defendant number 2 is charged with count 2, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning again, Your Honor. Stephanie Farkas, P74227, appearing on behalf of Mr. Gibson. Again, Your Honor, I'm asking the court to waive his appearance for purposes of rescheduling the examination that was scheduled this morning. I have had communication with him this morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thomasine Jefferson on behalf of Ernest King, P42872. And Your Honor, as a way of background, Mr. King and I were here, well, he was there in person on January 25th, and his part of the case got dismissed.
You sure that wasn't another file? Because I don't have anything in this file showing it was dismissed.
Well,
or do I have the register action? Hold on, let me make sure. Can you print up another register action on King, please?
Yep, I'm doing it now, Judge.
Thank you. All right, we weren't in court in January. Last time we were in court was September 17th on this matter. We set it for exam for the day, February 16th.
Okay, so we were, unless it was another case, but January 25th, we were before you.
It might have been another case.
Well, I guess he had two, he had two CCW cases. Okay. Well, Your Honor, at this point, then I will ask to waive his presence and get another date.
All right, I'll waive appearance on both of them. May 10th and 12/15.
That's fine.
That works for me, Judge.
All right, I'll continue to bond.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Your Honor, I have one question. If I got a client that's in jail, I believe this court issued a warrant for his arrest because he didn't show up for the exam. If he wanted to waive, or is it possible the court will entertain a bond motion?
Yeah, we have to pull it up. You gotta get the prosecutors, especially assigned.
No, it's not.
Okay. All right. Yeah, we have to, it's up to you. It's up to him whether or not he waives, but you can do a bond motion. You just gotta have it set. So if you could do one of those, they have them online, you can do it and we'll schedule it.
Okay. So any day in particular?
All right, so what's the day? Today's Tuesday. Franklin, you still on?
Yes, I am.
You're back Thursday, right?
I am not actually.
Oh, you dumping us again?
Yeah. I'm just here for today.
What's the client's name, Ms. Jefferson?
It's Eric. Brunis, I think. I think I'm always messing up his last name. It's Eric B. Let's see. Got it here on my phone. Oh. I know it was currently scheduled for June 12th. It's scheduled for June 17th right now. Eric Brunis. You got two cases.
I can send an email to the APA that will be scheduled on Thursday. I can take a look. And you're looking to waive, counsel?
Well, we wanted to do a bond motion. He wanted to get out sooner, and that was one of the things I told him he could consider.
Well, I don't know what he's charged with. I don't know any of the information. I don't know why he's in. I assume he capious and got picked up.
Right.
He got capious and got picked up, didn't turn himself, and I doubt very seriously if I'm gonna change his bond.
Okay. Okay, I will get back with the court. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Blake, how you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge. Good morning to you and your staff.
Good morning.
I have a 3 o'clock in-person exam, he's out. So I'm just trying to find out, is that still 2 for 3 in person, or are you starting it?
No, they canceled all the in-person today because all 90% of our court officers called in.
You mean I shoveled
got
all
no
this?
security, basically.
I shoveled all the snow for nothing.
No, I got no officer in the courtroom.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Well, I'll just get a day.
All right. Have a good day. Thank you.
Or was that adjourned?
Right.
That's adjourned too.
Calling case number 2056522, the people of the state of Michigan versus Melvin Jones Jr. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer fleeing third-degree vehicle code, habitual offender, fourth notice, mandatory 25-year sentence. Also calling case number 2057935, the people of the state of Michigan versus Melvin Jones. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. These matters are scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Reginald Andrew, P number 80354, appearing on behalf of the people as it relates to case number ending 522.
Good morning, Your Honor. Wright Blake appearing on behalf of Melvin Jones Jr. With respect to both cases, we'll waive the presence of Mr. Jones. He's not scheduled until 3.
All right, waive his appearance for purposes of hearing. Ms. Franklin, you're on the other case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Appearance, please.
Yes, Shanetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for a preliminary examination in both cases. Defense was prepared to be there at 3. I understand the court's predicament. We just asked for a new date.
All right. Be available May 11th at 12:30.
That's fine, Your Honor.
All right.
That was 12:30?
Yeah, 12:30, yeah.
Thank you.
That's for both cases, Judge.
If I continue, thank you.
Said that's for both of them?
Yeah, that's for both of them.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Fort Williams on?
Yeah.
Is that correct? The case for Melvin Jones?
Who are you and why are you wearing a hat in my courtroom? Thank you.
Sorry, sir. I'm Officer E. Officer E, badge number 2085.
Okay, and what case are you on?
It's supposed to be on Melvin Jones.
Oh, we just adjourned that case over to May 11th at 12:30.
May 11th at 12:30.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Take care.
Okay. All right. Gail, what do you have?
I have
you got Frazier?
Yes.
Okay.
And Your Honor, I just wanted to say, Frazier, I just talked about this. He's eligible for diversion, and we were going to waive the exam.
Okay.
Calling case number 2059867, the people of the state of Michigan versus Ronald Frazier. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gail Fort Williams on behalf of Ramel Frazier. Your Honor, should we waive or put it over? I don't know what we're doing in these instances.
Waiving.
Okay.
You have any objection, Mrs. Franklin?
No objection, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I've advised, oh, is Mr. Frazier on?
Yes.
Okay.
State your name, Mr. Frazier.
Romel Frazier.
Thank you. Go ahead, Ms.
Yeah.
Williams.
Thank you. I've advised Mr. Frazier of his right and also of the exam's purpose, and he wishes to waive.
All right. Mr. Frazier, you understand that you have a statutory right to preliminary exam with a state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Anybody,
Yes, sir.
anybody promise anything or threaten you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No, Your Honor.
You waive your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes, sir.
All right, you have the objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Fort Williams, you have the objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form and initialing off?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam matter filed over the Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be March 2nd, 2021 at 9:00 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Bonds continue. Okay, what we got? So we got one PCC left, right?
Yep, one PCC and 2 exams.
Two exams. You know, see if we can call them, get them on. I gotta stretch my legs. I'm gonna sit down too long.
Okay, Jim.
I played basketball yesterday. And I have enough sense to stop after one game.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, damn.
I didn't get the messages this morning.
Corey?
Yeah. Try it. I was like, yeah.
First thing, when they sent out a email, not email, a text.
Okay.
It said that court was open and we were operating regularly. Okay,
So
fine.
when did that one come out?
That came out first thing this morning.
Okay.
Around 7:30,
Okay.
I guess. I came out into work, pulled up, I see Judge King sitting outside, and that's when he tells me he just got notice that we had no court officers. All I'm calling him Flynn. I called off.
Right.
And so we would have to adjourn all of it. We weren't going to be in person. Shortly they have to put out a press release.
Okay, so I was probably already in the parking garage. Or that parking on I-75.
Right, right.
That's okay.
Yeah, the prosecutor. All right, you too.
Can you still feel, excuse me, I'm sorry. Not used to talking still yet. You feeling okay after a second shot?
Yeah.
Good.
Yep, no
Awesome.
issues. No issues. Just a little tightness and soreness.
Yeah, same as the first one.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I
How's your ride in? Where do you live?
Oh, St. Clair Shores.
I used to have a Jeep. And so this is my first winter with my Lincoln, which hasn't been too bad because I did just get new tires. But it was just pulling out of my side street onto the main roads where my side street hasn't been plowed. I had to back up. I was getting stuck. I hope I'm gonna get my way home. Maybe the plows came by my street. I don't know. I just moved there, so I don't know how efficient. The
Yeah,
snow
this-
plows are yet.
This seemed like the first real snow I got to drive in my Jeep.
Well, this year, just now, this is the first one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's awesome. You don't feel anything, right?
Oh, nope.
Yep, you just feel like you're just cruising along. Which Jeep do you have?
I have, the Wrangler.
Okay.
Sierra.
So you have like the real Jeep?
Huh?
You have the real Jeep. Yeah, I had the Grand Cherokee.
Oh, okay.
It was nice, I liked it, but I was leasing it, and then I knew I was buying a house, so I didn't want to lease a car anymore.
Oh,
Because, no, I would like to save up my money and then put a down payment, so my lease would be cheaper. And I didn't want to do that anymore.
House is more important.
Good afternoon. This is Attorney Cassidy Sharif. Due to the COVID virus, I will be working from home. Please feel free to contact me on my cell phone, 248-372-0312. Again, I can be reached, 248-372-0312. Have a great day. Stay safe.
At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hello, this is Kitty, Judge Giles clerk. I'm trying to get in touch with Stephanie White. If you could please give me a call back at 313-965-2407, or please log on to Zoom. You have a probable cause conference of Gerald Stevens. Please log on as soon as possible. Thank you.
Officers, how can I help you?
Hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm well, how are you?
Good. Who am I speaking with?
This is Ronald.
Hi, just who I need. This is Kitty, Judge Giles clerk. You have an exam scheduled today with us at 11:45.
I'm en route.
Are you aware that the cases are being adjourned? We're not doing in-person cases.
I am not. Thank you for the phone call. I'm halfway down to see you guys right now.
Oh, well, I'm glad I called you.
So what's going on? Do we have an adjournment date?
No, you gotta log out of Zoom and we'll get you another date. The judge is giving dates out.
I'm sorry, log out of Zoom? I'm not logged in.
No, log on to Zoom. The judge gives the dates. So I can't just give you a date. He has to
Gotcha,
give
I
it.
understand now. Okay, well, I'm gonna turn around and go back home and then we'll get into this. My client needs to log on too, I presume?
Have you talked to your client?
He's en route driving down to the court right now.
Oh, Lord. He can, but if you've made contact with him, the judge will waive it, his appearance, as long as you're in contact with him.
Okay. I'll give him a call and then I'm gonna flip around. As long as I'm on by 11:45, it'll be okay, right?
Yeah, we just try to get you as soon as possible, if you
Okay,
can.
yeah, I'll log on as soon as I get home, but I'm literally like at the halfway point between my house and the court. So
All right.
It'll take me about 30 minutes to get home.
All right, thank you, counselor.
No problem, thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
30 minutes, 30 minutes. All right, one more, Mr. Hi, good morning. Is this Attorney Sallin?
Yes, it is.
Hi, this is Kitty, Judge Giles' clerk. You have a.
How are you, Kitty? I was wondering if we're doing things this afternoon.
Oh, no, we're not. We're adjourning.
Okay. Glad you called me.
Nah, you're scheduled for 1:30.
Correct.
Can you log on now?
Yeah, let me just, yeah, hold on. What I was doing.
Well, at least in the next 5 minutes if possible.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Bye. All right. So I got Mac Williams, Khaled, and no answer for the PCC. I tried. Let's see if I can. I wonder if she'll let us go. We finish. CR439, Judge Giles courtroom. How may I help you?
No, this is Attorney Dupree. Can I get your email?
Sure, it's ORQUIA.ORIEL@36districtcourt.org.
Got it.
I thought you had my email, Mr. Dupree. You don't have
You
it?
know, once I got about 8 letters into it, it popped up. For some reason, I don't know if it's a memory, I just know why it didn't tell me, and I kept.
Yeah, me too. I do the same thing. I do the same thing. Okay, so we good now?
We're good.
All right, thank you. All right.
Thank you. Bye.
439, Judge Giles courtroom. How may I help you?
Hi, how are you? I've been trying to contact you guys all day, all morning. I had a scheduled date of appearance through virtual hearing.
Uh-huh.
And they gave me the wrong Zoom number. They gave me another judge's name, so I just had to call the officer that I turned myself into, and he contacted someone to get me the number to this courtroom.
Okay, you have pen and
I
paper?
don't want to say it again.
Go ahead.
I don't want to have a failure to appear or anything because I've been trying all day long and I'm out of a personal bond. So I
Okay.
don't want to get in any trouble.
Okay, do you have a pen and paper?
Yes.
Our Zoom number is 360-439-0000. So it's 4 zeros after the 9.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
All right, you need to log on right now.
Okay. As soon as I get back to my location, within a half hour, that way I can log on.
Might not be here in a half hour.
Sir, you need to log on like right now. We're almost done with court and you're our last case, one of our last cases.
Okay, let me do that now.
All right, thank you. I mean, you on the phone, you should be, just log on through your phone. Well, I got in touch with 2 attorneys.
Okay.
Mac Williams' attorney said he'll log in 5 minutes, and Khaled's attorney said 30 minutes. He said he was on the way here. He's got to turn back around and go home. And the PCC, that attorney, Stephanie White, didn't answer. I left a message, so she didn't answer.
Well, we go across the street anytime.
All right.
Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
yes, put your video on, please.
I don't know how to do that. Let me see.
What is your name?
I'm trying to figure out how to do this.
Okay, what is your name?
Gerald Stevens, last name Stevens, Stephen's.
All
First
right,
name.
yeah, just hold on. See if you can get your video on, but just hold on.
Judge, nobody's answering across the street. I can keep trying.
Well, it's a while. Nobody else is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, when you get him the.
Oh, it must have, yeah. Is he on or?
He should be on. Mr. Salem?
Good morning, Your Honor. Kudos to you making it down there with this weather.
Well, we all did except for the security.
Yeah, gotcha. So we got to reschedule Mr. Williams, who's in custody?
Yeah, we also got another case, Gerald Stevens, he got a carry and concealed weapon case. We want to give that one to you too, if you'll take it.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Okay.
Sure, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Let me call Mac first, right?
Yeah.
Calling case number 2057963, the people of the state of Michigan versus Mac Williams. Defendant is charged with count 1, robbery armed, habitual offender, for notice. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Netta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Alvin Salen, P23797 on behalf of Mr. Williams.
All right. Have you had communication with Mr. Williams?
I will have some communication. I'm scheduled for another Zoom jail conference with him later this afternoon at 4 o'clock, Judge. So I can give him this new date. I have received full discovery, both the hard as well as the video, and have reviewed it, Your Judge.
Do you know if he has any other holds?
I'm not aware of any other. I can certainly inquire again of him this afternoon.
Because he has a 10% bond.
I do know he has a controlled substance issue, and that's what this was. He just, he was discovery indicates that he was very cooperative with police and just really indicated this incident was because he fell off the wagon and needed some immediate monies for his controlled substance. Would the court consider a further reduction of bond, or if there, I don't know if there's something available to place him in some, immediately place him into a substance abuse facility pending resolution of this criminal case?
right, hold on. We're gonna set this for May 6th at 9:15.
Okay.
And Mr. Franklin, you want to be heard as to bond?
Your Honor, the people will leave it to the court's discretion.
All right, I'll give him I'll change it to a 5,000 personal bond with the GPS tether. I just want to keep track of them.
Thank you, Judge. If the jail's in communication at this time, in case he's going to be released before my conference with them, perhaps they can give a note to Mr. Williams to contact me with my phone, and they can give him my phone number or my email number.
We don't have them, and they're not in. They haven't come out at all.
Okay. Well, we'll give it a chance. Give it a shot.
All right. We're gonna call the other one we're gonna give you, okay?
Okay, Judge, thank you. Let's hope this way, that'll be another few minutes. Oh. I'll have to call her back. She's on my phone.
Ready on Gerald Stevens, calling case number 21-55100. The people of the state of Michigan versus Gerald Stevens. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carried concealed, habitual offender for notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Shanetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
May it please this honorable court, Attorney Alvin Salen, P23797, on behalf of Mr. Stevens. We would request a preliminary exam so I can get discovery from the prosecutor.
All right, Mr. Stevens, state your name for the record. Mr. Stevens? Mr. Stevens, he was on.
Was that the iPhone ending 1724?
Yeah. Mr. Stevens? All right, he was on. We'll set this matter for exam. How many witnesses?
1.
It is May 7th at 9:15.
That's fine, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Is he, I take it he's on bond, Your Honor, as much as.
Yes, he's on bond. He has a personal bond.
I'd ask the prosecutor to please send me the discovery information at asalenlaw@gmail. And finally, I don't know if the court or anyone has my client's phone number.
Just the number that's on there, which is 313-740-1724. That's the number he was on.
Okay, thank you, Judge. I've marked
I'll
that
send you
down.
discovery counsel.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it, everyone. Be safe. Good seeing you, Judge, and thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, we're down to the last one. Yeah.
Oh, she left. It was an important Joy trying to get in. She can't get in.
Oh, I didn't see her. I opened the door.
I don't know. Should come around the back. CR439, Judge Giles. Okay. Hold on. This is. Hold on, okay. CR439, Judge Giles. Yes. This is Mr. Stevens. Your court date is, did you hear your court date? Okay. Your court date is May 7th, 2021 at 9:15 a.m. What is your phone number, Mr. Stevens? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, your attorney should contact you, okay? He has your number. All right.
Mr. Dawson, can we help you?
Good morning, Judge Giles and your staff. How you all doing this morning? Good, sir. I'm calling Judge Giles because we had a court date this morning for, I believe it's Mr. Mickey Ingram. I was told it was rescheduled.
Oh, you need it? Oh, he turned himself in.
Yeah, that's, Ray Page is retained on that.
Okay, is that going this morning?
Oh,
No, we
I
had to
just went
adjourn
out there
it.
and he was gone. Yeah.
What date did we give Ingram?
Oh, yeah, I didn't want to leave. I didn't want to get off while he was out there.
Madam Clerk, what?
Yeah.
What date did we give the Ingram? Ingram?
I didn't write it down.
Ingram, is somebody else on
I can look it up.
That's all.
I'm sorry, I'm Officer Dawson. I'm the officer in charge of the case, sir.
Thank you.
April 26th at 9:15 a.m.
Thank you both so much and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Here's the, okay, the attorney, CJ. Okay, you're gonna have to call now. You're gonna have to call downstairs. You want phone? 313-965-5033. Okay, where's that? She. There she goes. Hey, I thought I had it, but I don't. Let me see. So it says it went down. Did you check downstairs? Oh, you know what? I pulled it. Ah. Oh, here it is. I knew I pulled it. Thank you. Thank you. You guys have a good one.
Is he in there? You gotta be quiet.
Oh, let me see. Can I help you?
Yes, are you speaking with me?
Yes.
Hi, yes, I was en route for an in-person exam and I got a call telling me that the court was going to be closed today. So they told me to log on to Zoom to get a new date.
Okay. You're on Al-Gami?
Al-Ajami, that's correct.
Al-Jami. Ms. Frank, is Ms. Franklin still on?
I'm still here.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Calling case number 2059675, the people of the state of Michigan versus Khalid Al-Jami. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed, count 2, operating license suspended, revoked, denied. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Appearance, counsel?
Amani Kavajian, I'm here appearing on behalf of Mr. Khalid Al-Ajami.
And where is your client?
He's driving back home, Your Honor. He's not home yet. We were both en route to your courtroom when we received the call from your clerk notifying us that the exam has been canceled for today.
All right.
Would you like me to look at it
for the purpose of today's hearing?
I'm sorry?
I said I'll waive his appearance for the purpose of today's hearing.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Reschedule it. May 7th at 9:45.
May 7th?
Okay.
It's a good date.
That works for us, Your Honor.
Okay.
And you said May 7th, right?
May 7th, 9:45.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Officer Shakur Smith, what do you got?
Good morning, sir. I'm here for Shantez Gibson and Ernest King.
Okay, we adjourn that one to, what did we give?
May 10th at 12:15.
All right, thank you.
All right, that concludes the hearing.
Yep,
Docket.
that's it.
All right, Ms. Franklin, that concludes our docket.
Okay.
All right.
You guys
thank
stay safe.
Gracing us with your presence for this one day.
Likewise, I'm glad to be here.
All right.
All right, you guys stay safe.
You
You too, thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.